Adama, this one you carry my briefcase come outside too. Why not just drop her? I can go on my own now. Maybe get. You want to escort me? Hey, you are here already now. Thank you, thank you. No worry, I don't want you to go for main road. You understand? I can go on my own. See, try to arrange all those things with scatter. Me, I use scatter for us before mommy came back. Oh. You understand? Tell me. You just say go do and well. Tell me bye bye. Yeah, hug me, hug me, hug me. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Yeah, go inside. Yeah, okay.
Borona betono kwete yere eno tetera me yere borona betono la wati keme torete Awilo beta be.
Hey, I know that.
How are you guys?
Come on, come on, go back.
Go back.
Who are you?
Why you talking to me on that manner?
Like where you come from? Go back. Go back.
I'm a Awilo, the professor.
Go back.
Go back. How?
Go back. Where?
Back.
You know, my friend, I say go back.
Go back, Asa. Now, why are you talking to me on that way? I'm a professor.
Go back.
Go back how?
From here. Hey, as of such, let's go. As we go after this.
Are you a new policeman on this town? My name is Dorothy. I'm a professor.
Go there. Shift there.
How?
Go shift that side. Now. Something they do.
Don't talk to me on that manner.
What's your ID card?
ID card how? I'm a professor.
From where?
Who give me the authority to ask the ID card for professor?
As a professor of what?
From where? I'm teaching French in this country.
Which French? As in you are teaching French. Okay, what's your qualification or what's your as a license for that?
My friend, don't talk to me on that manner. I'm a professor, and you can see.
Waiting this this.
Not this. What am I to teach my students now? What are you talking
check
about?
This in.
Check which bag now?
Officer, check this in. Drop that thing down. Okay, drop this thing down. Sir, now make your deal. Are you sure? Check very well. Yeah. Check the pockets. What the trousers they see there? Check inside the pockets.
This is not supposed to be your job, officer. It's not your job.
Mr. Man, keep quiet. What's your problem? Now you want to teach us our job.
What do you do for your? What do you do?
I can imagine.
It's what I want to use to lecture my students in this in school.
Yes, what kind of lecture
now.
Okay, wait. Let me
check this one, man. No waiting happen here. Cover that thing.
See. My clothes.
That one a trouser be waiting.
Hey, this one.
Check them. Check the pocket.
Je suis professeur de français dans ce pays.
Okay, keep quiet. As in which kind? Hey, you better respect yourself. You're in Nigeria. You understand? They're Nigerian officers.
But I have agreement with your president. That's why they take me to the country to teach French, so they should better in this country.
What proof of qualification? Is there anything you can show that can prove this nonsense that you just said? No. You better be careful, my friend.
What do you do for your back?
It's what I want to use to teach my students.
Cover this thing. Search this man. And search him thoroughly. No problem. You can't the booger for. As I don't understand. Is this your country? You're a French or you're a French is French that. And you don't have respect for the officers.
You see anything? Can I go now? Can I go?
You better be careful, my friend. Stop, you understand? Carry this, come.
Hey!
You forget your gun now, your mouth. But you know you use the teach people lesson.
Now yeah, you the teach me now. No problem now. These people come.
Hey! Go. Threaten me this.
Now when say you the teach my shoes?
Hey! You just go and teach your students.
Yes, now.
What's the name of that kind of lecture?
It's lecture that they want to know what this can do.
This man is a very suspicious man.
No, I'm a professor.
From where?
Dorothy Awilo, professor.
What is this? Where
this one?
Yeah, where?
Come on, yeah. Put this in. Hey! Who is
this? Is my daughter now. Forget it's in the house. This is my daughter.
Your daughter?
Yeah, this is my
daughter.
Bring
gun and mask for you.
Hey, wait.
Can you imagine?
Wait, now it's just normal. It's normal. What are you trying to do?
Put this in on. You say now they use to teach your students.
Yes, now.
Show us how they use to teach them. Put them where and where.
Am I a class here? Is it a class?
Wow. Are you okay?
I'm okay, my friend.
Put
what are you talking about? I'm a graduate. I'm a professor.
You are very well now.
I can teach.
Hey. Come like this. Come like.
Don't shout for my daughter.
Oga,
Don't
keep
shout
quiet.
for my
Better
daughter.
keep quiet before
What
you
are you
do
trying to
something.
do? Do what?
Hey, we are coming here. As in, wait till your papa look like.
Thief.
Thief.
Adama, what are you trying to do? Am I a thief?
Wait. Smart. You officer. You say no be like thief, abi? Yeah. How you look like?
Bombastic
He's
side
just
eye.
like a thief. I'm not a
Criminal
thief.
of
I'm a professor.
Very smart.
Oh!
If I say you know the sabi your job, I go change you as the police department.